Okay, so it's been a big weekend here in the UK. It's been May Day, bank holiday weekend, so Monday's not been a working day. But on Saturday, I picked up this little stack of 78s, and I did get a big box on Sunday as well, which will appear in another video. But anyway, let's have a quick look at these. I could have bought more, but I picked these ones as being ones which either I didn't have or I thought were interesting. Now this one is the Volunteer Organist. This is on Eclipse. Let's see if that's in camera shot there. Stan McClintock, I think that is. Now I may have this one. Comes in a nice sleeve. On the other side, we've got The Lost Chord by the same person, or played by the same person. That sounds more familiar, actually. But I think there are lots and lots of versions of that. So anyway, wasn't sure if I had that one, but I thought let's pick it up. This one here, this is another little Eclipse. I'm doing them in size order. It's quite a nice sleeve there. So you can see here this Eclipse. This was only 6p. That's half a shilling. Whereas this broadcast here was 1 shilling and threepence. So that was 12p and 3p. So that's 15p. So that this sleeve for this broadcast, which admittedly is not the record that's in there, was considerably more expensive, or the record that was in there was considerably more expensive than the record which is in this Eclipse sleeve, and this is actually an Eclipse. Anyway, this is Whistling Rufus. This is the B-side by the Whistling Cowboy, and on the other side, the Whistler and his dog. And actually, now I look at this, I think I think I've probably got this one as well. Actually, there were quite a few actually in that stack I did have, even though they had really quite nice sleeves, and they were in good condition, or they appeared to be in good condition. This one here, Jericho Foxtrot with vocal chorus. I might have this one as well, actually. This is an Edison Bell radio. It's in a sleeve, actually. It's in a radio record sleeve, the Big 8, because it was 8 inches in diameter, or is 8 inches in diameter. And on the other side, we have I'm Wild About Horns and Automobiles That Go Tar 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 by the Blue Jays. That doesn't sound familiar, so I thought that was worth picking up. Moving very swiftly onwards, this is an Edison Bell radio sleeve. Has it got a price on it? Well, it's got some very expensive prices. There's 2 and 6 there, I think. What's the record? Oh, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to pronounce this. This is Oop for to Coop Final, and that's part 1. Rex Warren and Company, and on the other side we've got part 2. So I might have this one, but it doesn't sound familiar. Now this one here I do have. This is a Columbia radio. This is Not for Sale, The Birth of Radio, The Romance of the Marconi Phone. Ref number RO67. I wasn't sure if I had this. I wasn't sure how many there were in the series, but I do apparently have this one. And on the other side is For Your Entertainment. So this was a record that was sold in not sold, it was used in Columbia dealers, really just to show off the capabilities of the gramophone. Yeah, so a dealer sample record, a dealer test record, that is. Do have one of these. But I thought, you know what, just in case it was different, I would pick it up, because I think it's fairly rare. Be interested to know if anybody else has got it. Now this one here, this Imperial, this is Echoes of 1914 Army Songs Part 1, and also Part 2. And again, I may have this one, but just on the off chance that I haven't, I picked that up. And this one here, well, weirdly enough, I definitely have this one. It's in a Regal sleeve, quite a nice Regal sleeve, but it's an old Imperial. Now I used this record when I did the test between the fake horn gramophone and my Apollo, and I've had at least one request from somebody saying, can I do a better copy of Pal of My Cradle Days? Which I would if I could find it, but I can't find it. So I picked this one out purely on the label, and then when I had a second look, I realised it was indeed Pal of My Cradle Days again. So yeah, and on the other side is the Prisoner song. So yeah, definitely got that one, but I thought I'll pick it up because it might prove to be useful. Now, the last one here, it's in a deck of sleeve, but I actually have no idea as to who actually made this record. I'm sure it was pressed by one of the big companies, but it's British Sea Songs, and it's played by the regimental band of HM Grenadier Guards. It says the proceeds of the sale of this record will be devoted to the provision of comforts for members of HM forces. And on the other side, there's the navies here. Well done, HMS Cossack, which is the rescue of 300 British prisoners from the Altmark. Second engineer George King of the Doric Star, one of the actual prisoners, relates his experiences. I thought, I haven't seen this record before. I'm sure it's pressed by one of the big companies, but I don't know which one. But I thought that was interesting. Now, I did look this up, and it's sometime in the Second World War, early on in the Second World War. So this actual incident happened. So this is definitely from the early 1940s, this record. Anyway, there we go. They're the records I picked up on the Saturday. And there are more to come. There's a big box, and I've got some other bits and pieces to show as well. Anyway, if you liked it, please do give me a like. And if you've enjoyed this video, then you might like this one too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.